It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and earlier we had the toss and foundation prep 1 and decided to send Great Start Academy first. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Great Start Academy. Bible knowledge, which book of the Bible comes immediately after Ephesians?
Philippians.
Correct. Foundation prep, Bible knowledge, which book of the Bible comes immediately before Galatians?
Nehemiah.
Incorrect. 2 Corinthians. Local affairs, a visual question, Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Robert Montague.
Montague. We'll take it.
Good Kyle.
Local affairs, foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Carl Samuda.
Correct. Great Start. Science. Complete this statement by inserting the correct word. The DASH system provides a defense against infections and diseases in the body.
Immune system.
Correct. Science. Foundation. Complete the statement by inserting 2 correct words. The nervous system in the body comprises the brain, dash, and nerves.
Spinal cord.
Correct. Television, a visual question. Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Bobby.
Incorrect. Sumo from Clarence. Television, a visual question. Foundation, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Clarence dad. Larry.
Incorrect. Chad from Clarence. English language, Great Start. Spell the word probably.
Probably.
Correct.
Good.
English language foundation, spell the word happiest.
Mine. Happiest.
Correct. Sports, a visual question, Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Johan Blake.
Incorrect. Jaden Hibbert, Jamaican athlete. Sports, a visual question, foundation. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Say something. Arthur Wint.
Incorrect. Rashawn Clark, Jamaican athlete. Great Start. Social studies. Which 2 planets are between the sun and the earth?
Mercury and Venus.
Correct. Social studies foundation. Between which 2 planets is the asteroid belt?
Mars and Jupiter.
Correct. Music. Great Start. What is the title of the Jamaican national anthem?
Jamaican and we love.
Correct. Foundation. Music. What is the title of the national song for schools in Jamaica?
I pledge my heart. I pledge my
Heart. I pledge my heart.
Correct. Great Start. Mathematics. What is 6,798 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
10,000.
Correct. Mathematics foundation. What is 7,498 rounded to the nearest 10?
7,500.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Great Start. Who is the chairman of the Jamaica Promotions, also called Jam Pro?
Keith Duncan.
Incorrect. Mark Myers, Jamaican Affairs Foundation. Who is the president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA?
Say something. Robert Meikle.
Incorrect. Leighton Johnson, Great Start Science. In what metric unit is the loudness of sound measured?
Decibels.
Correct. Science Foundation. In what unit is a sound's frequency measured?
Hertz.
Correct. And that's the end of Section 1. The scores are Foundation Prep on 7 and Great Start Academy on 8. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. We are still in the hurricane season. Talk to your parents or guardians about safety methods to follow at home in case there is a storm. That's our friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages. you.